solve it.
Oh, okay.
When Lucas Etter's grandparents bought him a Rubik's Cube while he was visiting their retirement home, it was mainly to pass the time. The puzzle can take a long time to figure out. Fast forward 2 years, and that pastime is now an obsession.
See,
All right.
10-year-old Lucas is a speedcuber. He uses memorized sequences or algorithms to solve the 3D puzzle in a matter of seconds. Lucas is getting pretty fast. At a competition in November, he reached a new personal best for solving the cube, 12 seconds.
I want to get the world record.
So do you know who holds the world record?
Yes, it's a teenager in Australia named Feliks Zemdegs.
Lucas drew a lot of inspiration from top cubers like Feliks, Rowe, and other YouTubers. He even started pretending that he had his own YouTube channel.
Okay, so, hey guys, Rubik's Cube Home here. You saw me on the cube timer in my last video.
Local media found out about Lucas and interviewed him several times.
18 News at Sunrise. Today we're hanging out with Lucas Etter. It's my buddy here. He's 10 years old, and you may know someone. Lucas, how are you? Good morning.
I'm good. How about you?
I'm all right. Thanks for asking, buddy. Now, let's see.
It's just like algorithms and intuitiveness, and the algorithms are like sequences and moves to get patterns.
And you solved it in what time?
9.02 seconds.
9 seconds. Did you hear what I said? The kid solved it in 9 seconds. Now,
River Hill was, like most other competitions, pretty relaxed with the kids socializing a lot. I remember the venue was really cold in the morning, but it did warm up for round 2 of 3x3 in the afternoon. I actually happened to be standing right in front of Keaton when he was solving and caught the reaction to his 5.09. Keaton's such a great kid, and it was fun to watch everyone celebrate his world record.
That is Lucas Etter, and you just saw him work a Rubik's Cube in 4.9 seconds, which appears to be the fastest ever recorded.
Being the first solve under 5 seconds, Lucas got a lot of attention. TV, radio, print media, they all reached out with interview requests. Lucas even earned a tyke, which was kind of funny. And he even inspired some late night TV jokes.
This is pretty cool. A 14-year-old boy in Maryland just beat the world record for the fastest time solving a Rubik's Cube. Under 5 seconds. Yeah. Kid felt pretty smart until he spent the next 20 minutes trying to get a straw into a Capri Sun. This is...
A 14-year-old from Kentucky set a new record this weekend after solving a Rubik's Cube in just 4.9 seconds. Though in Kentucky, solving a Rubik's Cube just means smashing it with a baseball bat.
It's really neat to see how Lucas is inspiring kids, just as he was inspired by so many when he started cubing, and that he's part of such a great community of kids.